This is our TX-1000 project that we're going through. There's been many questions about what is happening when you have fuel coming out of these vent hoses up at the top. Typically it's the right hand side vent hose that leaks, and that is from the left hand tank. Right now the tank is out of it. What is happening is the machine draws from both tanks down through here and across, but it only returns fuel to the left hand tank through this hose here. Issue that happens is the pickup tube in the bottom of the tank will plug, so it will pull fuel from the right hand tank only and dumps the overflow into the left hand tank and overfills the tank. So you loosen this hose clamp here, then you unscrew the brass fitting. This one's got a little bit on the bottom of it, but I've seen this where they've just been clogged completely. You clean that back up or clean that back off, put the tank back in, and you fixed your problem. As always, check out dingopower.com for dingo parts. If you have questions, give us a call. Thank you.